Hi everyone, welcome back. If you are new here on my channel, hello, my name is Melanie. So you guys, for today's video, I am reviewing and doing a little bit of demo using the Deck of Scarlet palette. This palette has 3 eyeshadows, 1 blush, and 1 highlighter, and on the bottom you have 2 different lipstick that you can choose from. I know I made a little mess right there. One thing I didn't like about this is it's kind of getting everywhere, but I like how they separate it so your powder doesn't get into your cream products. And also in the box there is a liquid liner, so you get your products every 2 months and you get everything that I just showed you guys. It is free shipping. This palette is pretty cool, I think, because every palette is limited edition. Each palette is created in collaboration with a YouTuber, a popular YouTuber, so I think that's pretty neat. It gives YouTuber a chance to create their own makeup products, so I think that is pretty cool. So this palette is $29.99, and on the site it will break down for you how much each products cost, and the value of the palette that I have right now is $124. Deck of Scarlet is cruelty free, paraben free, and it is made in USA. So I will link their site on the description below so you can check it out and look into it more. So I love how this look turned out. I hope you guys enjoy it too. I hope you stay and watch this video, and you guys, I hope you do subscribe to my channel. It would really help out my channel. Thank you guys. I really do appreciate you watching my videos and hitting that subscribe button. So if you guys want to see how I created this look using the Deck of Scarlet, so it's like a review and demo, then just keep on watching. So when you open your box, this is what you will see. So they collaborated with Nikia Joy, and this is what she looks like. She looks really gorgeous. So this is what the product looks like inside, you guys. It is really protected, so you guys don't have to worry about your palette or your shadows breaking. So for January and February box, you will get this palette right here, and this time you will get, or I'm getting, a liquid liner. So this is what the outside looks like. It is very artsy. It's pretty neat. It's like a black and white type of thing. And then let's go ahead and get the product out. So let's go ahead and open it. And as you guys can see, it does come with a protector, and it also comes with a pretty good size mirror. So these are all the products in this palette. So we have a blush, highlighter, and you have your 3 shadows up top, and you have your lipstick on this side. Looking at the palette, you guys can tell that there is no crease color. There is no color that you can set your lid. So now that our lid are prime and creased, I used the Aphrodite palette, and I just took Admire, this one right here, just to put a little bit of warmth onto my crease. I'm gonna take Space, this one right here, and I will put that onto my crease as well. So it's just a gray shadow. It is very cool tone. I know this one is a blush, but we are going to use it on our outer V and hit the crease just a little bit. So this is Stellar. So the shadow is definitely buildable, so you can start with just the light wash of the purple. So if you want a more deeper, like burgundy purple, then you need to pack on the shadow. But I like it. I like this color a lot, and I'm packing on the shadow, and there is no fallout on my face so far, so that's always good. So I'm just gonna take the first brush that I use and just blend the top. So you guys, so far so good. I'm really liking this tone. I didn't think I would, but I'm digging it. Good. I'm gonna go ahead and clean up my lid with a little bit of concealer. I am gonna do a little bit of cut crease, so I'm gonna do that and I'll be right back. So for the inner corner, I'm gonna take Stardust, this one right here. This is the highlighter, but I will use it on my lid as well. So I'm gonna take Stellar again just to deepen up our outer V some more and really blend the middle part of our two shadows. You just have to go back and forth to make sure that they are blended together. If you guys been watching my videos, you know that I don't do wing liner, not anymore anyways, because of my hooded lids. It just gets messy for me, and it gets on my folded lids. It's just a mess. So I try not to do wing liner, or I haven't done liner in a minute. Of course, I want to try the gel liner that was included in this box. It's really tiny and pointy at the end, so this would be amazing to make that wing liner, but I don't want to mess this eye look because I really am liking it a lot. So it's not as dark as I thought it would be, but I'm sure if you layer it, then you will get that darkness that you want. But I am gonna use this to line my waterline. Okay guys, so it is coming off like bluish gray on my waterline. I guess it's okay, but I do like it really dark, so I'm gonna go over that with a black pencil because I like my waterline pretty dark. So let's go ahead and finish up this eye look. I am gonna smoke out the bottom lashes as I do on all my looks. So I am gonna take let's take Gravity because we haven't used Gravity yet, and I want to use every single shadows and product in this palette. So I'm gonna take Gravity and really smoke out my bottom lashes with this color. So you can put space all over your lid and then just put that on top, and that would look amazing, and blend it with Stellar on the crease. Oh, that's a pretty good look as well. Like every time you blend it, the gray kind of just disappears and you're left with just a little bit of shimmer. So now I am gonna take Stellar, the plum burgundy, this one right here, and we are gonna blend our lower lashes. So you guys, this is the final look on the eyes. I really love how this look turned out. I know I said that on all of my looks, but I am digging it. I really like it, you guys. Let's take Stellar right here and add a little bit of that onto our cheeks. I think this color just ties in really good with the whole tone that they're going for with this palette. And if you think you got too much on your cheeks, like I am right now, I'm gonna take just a regular fluffy brush and just blend that. So to highlight my cheeks, I am gonna take Stardust. This is the highlighter in this palette, and I'm just taking this brush that I said I would not use, but I'm using it today. I don't see anything. I have to dig into a lot of the products so it will show my cheeks. Oh, there it is. I definitely had to apply a lot for it to show onto my cheeks. You don't want to pack it on because it will definitely show your texture if you put too much. Says the girl who packs it on her cheeks. And of course, let's not forget our inner corner and our brow bone. And for that, I will take Aurora. This is the last shade that we haven't used yet. Right there. This is probably a better highlighter for me. I love gold highlight. This is what that one looks like. Did it show at all? So on this palette, there are two shades that you can pick. I am gonna try both of them for you guys. I really like this tone right here. I don't know what it is. I think it would just really go good with our look right now. But if you like the pop of color on your lips, then this would be it for you. So you just gotta be careful. Look at that. I just dug my finger in that. So I'm gonna take Astro first. It's very sheer on my lips. Okay, I'm gonna take my fingers. Maybe it's better when you use your fingers. Very, very light. So this definitely goes perfect with this eyes. If you like that cool tone gray look, then this is the look for you right now. I like it. And then now I'm gonna take Venus and let's see how this shade looks with this look that we have on right now. So this is what Venus looks like on me. It's okay, I don't hate it, but I like Astro better. I think Astro just looks very good with this eye look. I'm not really crazy with having my lipstick and with my palette. I mean, I get what they're trying to do, trying to put everything that you need in one palette and, you know, take it to go. But I think it just gets messy, but that's just me. So you guys, this is the final look. I really do enjoyed this palette. The shadows blended and performed pretty good, so no complaint with the pigments and the blendability of the shadow. I cannot wait to get my next palette. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and like always, I will catch you on my next one. Bye guys.